Land Bank SRA Social Credit Program under Sugar and Industry Development Act for small sugarcane planters money program namo. Eligible borrowers will focus on small individual farmers. Area is not more than 5 hectares. Onya dili eligible under the black farm. Ang black farm ang god is a group of farmers nga ilahang contiguous ang ilang usara ka lugar ang ilahang kanang area nga gitamnan og sugarcane which is not below 30 hectares mo na black farm. Nya na putay common service centers katong mo provide og hauling, tractor, harvesting, muna na sila marketing sa mga common service centers. I-endorse Sugar Regulatory Administration na sila yung mga personnel diri nga nasa Negros Oriental na tay training, walay loan on the same project. Onya wapoy dili pud sila beneficiary from the government for that particular project. Kung common service center, it would be endorsed, registered sa SRA, must pass the risk asset acceptance criteria of Land Bank, na siya ay service area nga 30 hectares at least, nya na ay guidelines on the block farming issued by SRA. So kinahanglan siya mo follow. Loan purpose, production, and fixed asset acquisition, and also working capital. Loanable amount, we have production loan is 90%. For now, we are extending 70,000 per hectare sa sugarcane. So that's 90%, 70,000 the maximum. Ang tenor, it's a 18-month loan. Kung fixed asset, it would be based on economic useful life sa asset, sa dikarga ba or sa traktura ba or sa any equipment nga i-acquire sa borrower. Interest rate, it's also very interesting. It's 2% for individual. It's 6.5% per annum for common service provider.